How to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses. So if your ChatGPT is lagging or giving a slow response, it's usually caused by things like long conversations in a single chat, browser issues, or even a high server load. But the fixes are pretty simple. Just go ahead and make sure you refresh the page first and you check your internet connection, since unstable Wi-Fi can slow responses a lot. Then you can try clearing your browser cache or switching browsers like Chrome or Edge, and then close extra tabs or open to free up RAM and CPU, because heavy usage can make ChatGPT feel sluggish. So we already mentioned that one of the biggest reasons there's lag or there's a slow response in a chat in your ChatGPT is because a chat might be too long, which can slow things down over time. One way to fix this is to start a new chat, but you can go ahead to your old chat first, like this one over here. We have a random chat. So you can go to your old conversation and then ask the chat to summarize the important parts, where you can copy paste that into the new chat to continue. So whatever was in here, you'll be able to enter in a new chat, but this time it will be a shorter conversation and it should now possibly have less lag. Another thing you can do is to log out and back in, or try again later if it is a server issue, but in most cases, shortening or restarting your chat can usually help improve the speed or the lag in the session. But that's pretty much one way you can do this, or a few options you can try. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.